Hello everyone, today's topic is radio wave propagation. Radio waves are the types of electromagnetic radiation. They are produced by acceleration of electromagnetic charges. Radio waves play an important role in communication, navigation, weather forecasting, medical imaging, technology, etc. These waves have the longest wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum. Now, propagation of radio waves. Radio waves can propagate through air, water, various solid objects like vacuum and etc. The ability of radio waves to propagate through various materials depends on the wavelength and the frequency of the radio waves. Modes of radio wave propagation. There are three modes of propagation of radio waves such as ground wave, sky wave and space wave. Now in brief I'll tell you what exactly is ground wave propagation, sky wave propagation and space wave propagation. If you see ground wave propagation, this mode of propagation is used for long distance communication, especially over land. The radio waves follow the curvature of the Earth's surface and are able to travel a considerable distance without being obstructed by buildings or other obstacles. The advantage of ground wave propagation is its ability to cover longer distance without the need for repeaters or other equipment. However, the disadvantage is the signal strength decreases rapidly with the distance and the quality of the signal can be affected by changes in the terrain or atmospheric condition. Next is sky wave propagation. Sky wave propagation, in this mode of propagation, it is used for again long distance communication over the ocean or other large bodies of water. The radio waves are reflected off the ionosphere and can be received by the antennas on the ground hundreds or even thousands of miles away. The advantage of sky wave propagation is ability to cover vast distances without the need of repeaters or other equipments. However, disadvantage is again signal strength can be affected by changes in the ionosphere which can be caused by solar activity or other factors. Then we have line of sight propagation. It is again a propagation used for short range communication, typically within a few miles. Radio waves travel in a straight line from transmitter to the receiver and require an unobstructed line of sight between the two. Advantage is ability to provide a strong, reliable signal over short distances. However, disadvantages will be obstacles such as buildings, trees or hills can block the signal, limiting its range. Last is tropospheric propagation. This mode of propagation used for medium range communication, typically between 30 to 300 miles. The radio waves are reflected or refracted by the atmosphere, allowing them to follow the curvature of the Earth's surface. The advantage of tropospheric propagation is its ability to provide a reliable signal over medium distances without the need for repeaters or other equipment. Disadvantages: signal can be affected by the atmospheric conditions such as rain, fog or thunderstorm. Last propagation is scatter propagation. This mode of propagation is used for communication over short to medium ranges in areas with obstacles such as mountains or buildings. Radio waves are scattered off with these obstacles, allowing them to reach to the receiver. Advantages is its ability to provide a reliable signal in areas where other modes of propagation may be obstructed. Disadvantages: it can be affected by the changes in the terrain or the position of the obstacles. Thank you.